Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have a super practical lesson for you. Let me ask you this. When someone says thank you to you, do you always answer with just "you're welcome"?
I think almost every learner does that. And yes, you're welcome is fine. But if you want to sound more natural, more polite, and even more friendly, you need more options.
Exactly. Native speakers don't just repeat "you're welcome" all the time. They have many smart replies, simple phrases you can use in daily life, at school, at work, or even when helping a stranger.
And the great thing is, these phrases are short, easy, and powerful. Imagine you help someone carry their bag, and they say thank you. Instead of only "you're welcome," you could say "no problem" or "anytime." Suddenly, you sound more friendly and natural.
Yes. And here's the best part. These replies are not just polite. They also show your personality. You can sound formal, casual, or even warm and caring just by changing your response.
So in this lesson, we'll share smart, simple, and useful replies to thank you, and we'll show you how to use them in real conversations.
Get ready to make your English replies shine, because by the end, you won't only say "you're welcome." You'll have a whole toolbox of natural answers.
Let's start exploring some of these easy, smart replies together.
So let's begin with the first smart reply. When someone says thank you, you can say "no problem."
Yes, no problem is friendly, casual, and easy. Imagine this. Your friend says, "Thanks for helping me with my homework." You smile and reply, "No problem." It feels natural, right?
And you can even practice with me now. Say "thank you" and answer "no problem." Great!
But what if you want to sound a little more polite? Maybe at work or in a shop. Another great reply is, "My pleasure."
Oh yes, I love that one. If a customer says, "Thank you for your help," and you reply, "My pleasure," it sounds warm and professional.
And it makes the other person feel good too. It shows that you enjoyed helping them.
Let's practice that together. Say, "Thank you," and now reply, "My pleasure." Nice and polite.
So remember these two. No problem for casual situations, and my pleasure for polite or formal ones. Both are simple, natural, and make you sound more like a native speaker.
Let's look at two more smart replies. The first one is anytime.
Yes, anytime is very natural. Imagine a friend says, "Thanks for giving me a ride." You can smile and say, "anytime." It means you are happy to help again in the future.
Exactly. And it feels friendly, not too formal. Let's practice together. Say, "Thank you." Now answer, "anytime." Perfect.
Another reply you can use is, "Don't mention it."
This one is interesting. "Don't mention it" means the same as "you don't need to thank me." For example, someone says, "Thanks for lending me your book." You reply, "Don't mention it."
It's polite, but also very natural in everyday English. Not too formal, not too casual, just right in the middle.
Okay, let's practice. Say, "Thank you." And now reply, "Don't mention it." Nice and smooth.
So now you know 4 different ways to answer thank you. No problem, my pleasure, anytime, don't mention it. Each one gives you a little different feeling in the conversation.
Let's keep going with more smart replies. One very common and easy one is "sure thing."
Yes, sure thing is super casual and friendly. If a colleague says, "Thanks for sending me that email," you can smile and say, "Sure thing." It shows you were happy to do it.
And notice it sounds very American. Sure thing. It's short, clear, and warm. Let's practice together. Say, "Thanks for helping me." Now answer, "Sure thing."
Another natural reply is, of course.
This one is very flexible. You can use it with friends, family, or even informal situations. For example, "Thanks for waiting for me." And you reply, "Of course."
It makes the other person feel comfortable, like you were happy to do it and it wasn't a problem at all.
Yes, and you can even add more words if you want. For example, "Of course, happy to help," or "Of course, anytime." This makes it sound even warmer.
Let's try a little practice. I'll say, "Thanks for showing me the way." You reply, "Of course." Great job.
You see, these little replies make you sound much more natural in English.
So now you know 6 different ways to reply to thank you, each one with a slightly different feeling.
Now let's look at a reply you'll hear everywhere in daily life. No worries.
Yes, no worries is casual, friendly, and very common in places like Australia, the UK, and even the US. For example, someone says, "Thanks for waiting for me." You can smile and reply, "No worries."
It's like saying, "It's okay, it's not a problem," but it sounds relaxed and kind. Try it with me. I'll say, "Thanks for helping me with my homework." You say, "No worries." Nice.
Another great one is, "Not at all."
This is a little more polite and sometimes more formal. For example, "Thanks for carrying my bag." You can reply, "Not at all." It means, "It was no trouble for me."
Yes, and it makes you sound polite and respectful. You can even combine it with a smile or a kind gesture.
Let's do a quick role play. I'll say, "Thanks for opening the door." You answer, "Not at all." Perfect.
These replies, "no worries" and "not at all," help you sound more natural, more flexible, and more confident when you speak English.
And now let's explore even more warm and polite ways to reply, so you'll never have to repeat the same phrase again. Now it's time for my favorite part, the dialogue practice. This is where we put all those replies into action, so you can hear them in a real conversation. Listen carefully, repeat with us, and imagine you're right here practicing together.
Yes, this will help you feel natural and confident. We'll show you how to use replies like "You're welcome," "Anytime," "My pleasure," "No worries," and "Not at all." Ready? Let's go.
Mateo, thanks for sending me the report so quickly.
Oh, you're welcome. It was easy.
And thank you for helping me carry those heavy boxes yesterday.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
Seriously, thanks for lending me your umbrella this morning. It was raining so much.
No worries. I always keep an extra one in my bag.
Softly, thank you for covering my shift last week. That really helped me.
Not at all. I didn't mind.
And thanks for teaching me that new English phrase yesterday.
Anytime. I love sharing tips.
Warmly, finally, thanks for inviting me to dinner. It was delicious.
My pleasure. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Wow, that's a lot of thank yous in one conversation.
Yes, but it shows how many different replies we can use instead of always saying "you're welcome."
Exactly. And listeners, now it's your turn. Try repeating these replies after us, or even practice with a friend.
Because the more you practice, the more natural your English will sound in real life.
Before we finish, let's do a quick recap together. Today, we learned some smart and polite ways to reply when someone says thank you.
Instead of only saying, "You're welcome," you can also use these phrases.
Anytime when you want to show you're happy to help again.
No problem at all when something was really easy for you.
No worries when you want to sound relaxed and casual.
Not at all when you want to sound formal and kind.
And my pleasure when you want to sound polite and professional.
These replies make your English sound more natural and more confident.
So practice them often. Try saying them with a friend or even to yourself in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the easier they will feel.
Remember, small changes like these make a big difference in sounding natural.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something useful.
And if you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next episode of the English Talking Podcast. Bye-bye.